Hey there neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. Today, we're going to talk about marketing your home to sell. During listing presentations, this is one of the most common questions I'm asked. What do you do to market my home for sale? Well, it is very important that we get as much exposure to your home as possible, as quickly as possible. Because the quicker you get people in and get offers, the more likely you are to get the highest amount of money for the purchase of your home. So let's talk today about what I do to help sell your home. It all starts with what we talked about last week, prepping your home to sell. It is very crucial that your home is show ready before we start marketing it to sell. Step one, get your home show ready with my guidance, of course. I walk every one of my clients through their home room by room and let them know exactly what needs to happen. We are going to have to do the deep clean and declutter. We will also have to do some staging. Again, this doesn't have to cost money. We can use your furniture, but we are going to need to make your home look as big, clean, and as nice as possible. We need to show the best use of the space in your home, make it free of personal items, pet items. There is a lot that needs to be done, and I will be there to guide you throughout the whole process. After you have decluttered, deep cleaned, and staged your home with my guidance, you will need to make any necessary repairs we discussed before moving on to step two. What's step two? Professional photography. This is probably the most important step in marketing your home. I pay for professional photography on every one of my listings. If your agent does not, you need to do so yourself. I go a step beyond the professional photos and take matrerport photography as well as a video walkthrough. Matrerport is where you can walk through the home by pushing a button towards that. So there's the doors. I push that button, it walks me directly through it. You want to go in the closet, say in bathroom, it will show you every corner of the home up close. I have no idea how this works, but that is why I hire a professional that knows what they're doing. I want people to be able to see your home from any angle they want because we want them to be interested in coming out to see your home. If they don't come out, look inside your home, physically, they're probably not going to make an offer. Again, most important thing we do in marketing your home. Step three, pricing your home right. Again, we can't overprice your home. If you overprice your home too much, people aren't going to come take a look. If you overprice your home just a little, they'll come take a look, but they won't offer you anything. You need to price that home just right to get as many people in as quickly as possible. Try to force a bidding war. In real estate, if you haven't got a full price offer in the first 3 weeks, you are not likely to get a full price offer. What happens is people see 3-week-old listings and they move on to newer ones. They think, why hasn't that house sold? I'm just going to look at this one instead. So it is very important that we price your home right to start with and try to get as many people through as quickly as possible. Old listings go for less than asking price and a lot of times below market value. Step four, your home is now ready. You got pictures. It's time to publish the listing to the MLS and get all those ads and advertising marketing out there. The most important place we publish to is the MLS. This is where all realtors go to first to find their client's home. After that, it's going to be Zillow.com, Realtor.com, pretty much any home buying or selling website you've ever heard of. Nowadays, this is completely automated. We don't have to do it. We put it in once, and the computer system will publish it everywhere, including Canada, China, all over the world, not just the United States. Now, there's many other ways that we need to get this out there too, because the more publicity, the more marketing, the more people that see your property, the better. I use social media. I have 4,000 friends, almost all local on Facebook, so we'll get it out there and showing on Facebook to everybody I know. I'll have you and all your friends do the same. Let's share it and get everybody aware of the home being for sale. Instagram, I got 11,000 followers. I'll get it out to all of them, although they aren't all local like the Facebook, so Facebook does work better. I use a lot of ads. I use Facebook ads. Get that out to everybody looking to buy or sell a home in the Phoenix area. They're a great resource. When marketing your home, or anyone's home really, we have to play up its best features. Whether your house is completely brand new, remodeled, then we'll play up that. If it's in a great neighborhood, we'll play up the neighborhood and its amenities. Maybe it's one of those communities like Norterra that has a water slide and a water park for the kids, community center, all that. If it has great schools, A+ schools, obviously we're going to advertise that. Whatever the best features of your home, neighborhood, schools, those are what we play up in our marketing and advertising campaigns. Now, a lot of people are interested in open houses. I don't necessarily think these sell houses, but I'm very open to doing them for people. If nothing else, it could get me new clients that are looking to buy houses. When I do open houses, I make sure I do all the work to get as many people in as possible, meaning I walk the neighborhood. I send Facebook ads out around the neighborhood, letting them know an open house is going to happen. Have cookies and goodies ready there for people to eat. I knock the neighborhood, giving them flyers, letting them know I'm going to have an open house and to bring their friends, check it out, and to tell everybody about the house for sale and its best features. Just to name a few of the things I do. Now, we all hope that your house sells first weekend on the market for above asking price, but it's not always a crazy seller's market here in Arizona. We are actually still in a seller's market now, but it is taking a little longer because there's less people out there looking to buy houses with these high interest rates. If it does not sell in that first weekend, we have to continue marketing throughout the process. That means more ads throughout the whole process. Broker tours throughout the process, open houses. A broker tour is where we get all kinds of brokers, such as myself, that come through with us and they give us feedback on what could possibly help us sell your house quicker and easier. So if they think that a yard isn't nice enough, they'll let us know to fix that. They think you need to do some painting, they'll let us know that. Everybody that's a professional's opinion can give us some useful information to help sell your home. But remember, it continues throughout the whole selling process, meaning every showing, you need to do your part. If you're living in the home, you need to turn on every light, open every window, make sure the house is clean and smelling good before every showing. This is all very important to market your home throughout the whole selling process. There are many other things that are done to market your home, but they're very individualized and dependent on each home. It could be, does your home need to be painted? Do you need to power wash the outside of your house? Does landscaping need to be done? Do you need to hire professionals to clean and landscape your home? It's all stuff we will go over, but it's very individualized, not only by your home, the market your home's in. Is it a luxury home, a first-time home buyer home? This all makes a huge difference. Do you need repairs done to your home? Do you have the money to do any of these repairs if they will help you get more money ultimately? A lot of things we will go over, but they're not generalized, so I didn't go over them in detail in this video. This is very general, basic information just so you have an idea of what I do to help you. So let's try to go over it all again real quickly. We need to deep clutter and clean, stage your home, get it prepped ready, professional video and photography, market your home with ads, Facebook, social media, do open houses, broker tours, have everybody look at your home and give feedback on what they think, have you tell your friends, blast it out on all your social medias, keep everything upkeep, the landscape, get some flowers on those doors, keep everything looking pristine throughout the process and before every home tour. And we do this throughout the thing with ads going out throughout the whole sale until we get it sold. If you have any questions or are looking to sell your house or just get some questions answered, please call, text, email, or direct message me. I am always here to help with your home buying and selling needs. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process. And remember,
go better with Fetter. You'll love her forever. She'll get you a home too.